Back away. Slowly. We give them time. Tank integrity is holding. No cracks detected on the main cell.
Confirmed, but the fuel consistency has completely solidified in the filters. It's gelled solid.
See the micro cracks here from the Arctic exposure.
Yes, we'll need to sand this section before applying the clear coat.
The Arctic took my son, but you brought both back to life. You've given me a second chance to remember him.
Did it! This is unbelievable.
Дмитрий, займись двигателем! Остальные со мной! Быстрее!
Back away. Slowly. We give them time.
Похоже, электроника цела, но салон сильно пострадал. Это будет сложнее, чем мы думали. Зверь все испортил.
We have 90 minutes maximum. We secure the Bugatti and return to base camp. The wolves showed us respect. We return it. Nobody stays to risk death. Hold it steady. Strap is secure on this side. Anchors checked and holding. The cocoon is complete. Extraction team, winds are picking up. Move to the helicopter now.
Задача выполнена. Возвращаемся.
Tomorrow we bring the Bugatti home. Tonight, we rest. Tomorrow, we fight. We have 72 hours to recover the Bugatti or we lose it to the season. We leave at first light.
If we're not back in 48 hours, send the helicopter. Чуть левее скальное образование в 2 километрах, азимут 187 градусов. Мы договаривались с хищниками на льду. Теперь мы договариваемся с...
What do you see? Rock formation might mask more crevasses. We navigate around.
How much fuel? Enough for 220 kilometers. We're safe on fuel. Это здесь.
30 minutes. We connect the tow system, verify the Bugatti can be moved without damage, and we leave.
Он идеален. Холод все сохранил.
We're taking you home. Back it up slowly. Hold it there.
Coupling secured. Winch check complete.
All clear. Ready for transport.
Six more hours to base camp. We maintain speed. The vehicle will hold. The Bugatti will hold. We will hold.
Cable stress alert. 200% tension.
We stop. Full stop. We assess the coupling.
Katya. Nikolai. You did it! You actually did it! We were so worried. Tank integrity is holding. No cracks detected on the main cell.
Confirmed, but the fuel consistency has completely solidified in the filters. It's gelled solid.
The block looks stable. No surface fractures visible. Copy that. Focusing on the condensation around the turbos now.
Complete internal failure. We need replacement. The Bugatti has given us her secrets. She's telling us what she needs. We listen. We rebuild everything. We don't cut corners.
All right, team, listen up. We must be precise. Document every connection, salvage what we can, and avoid further damage.
Measurements confirm factory specifications. The crankshaft is good. It has passed inspection.
Visual inspection complete. All 16 cylinders pass. The block survived the assault.
The gasket is completely shot.
What about the valve clearances?
They are perfect. The stem is straight. This engine might run again.
This hypercar was abandoned in the Arctic and forgotten. She was left to die. We're proving she deserves to live. We make her perfect.
I am calling to confirm the transmission order for VIN 123. The total is 1.2 million.
That's correct. 8 weeks lead time, payment up front.
Approved. Initiating the wire transfer now.
The Tundra tried to take you. But your heart is strong. The real test comes now.
"43 Newton meters on cylinder 4.
Tension confirmed on cylinder 12.
Visual inspection complete. No offset detected.
The cylinder head is lowered into position with a hydraulic press. Bolts are installed in sequence using precision torque wrenches. The recreation is becoming real.
Final torque on the intake lines, 25 foot-pounds. Confirmed. The quad turbo system is complete. It's ready.
The new water pump is secured. Connect the radiator hoses now. Filling the reservoir with the -60-degree coolant.
All right, steady now. Ease it forward just a millimeter. Holding pressure. Contact confirmed. Starting the bolt sequence. Sequence check. Start top right.
Applying 90 foot-pounds. Moving to the next bolt.
Installing the new damper now.
Torquing the alignment bolts to spec. Steering linkage checks out.
See the micro cracks here from the Arctic exposure.
Yes, we'll need to sand this section before applying the clear coat.
Арктика пыталась тебя забрать, но ты выжил. Твое сердце сильно. Твои 16 цилиндров готовы. Gentlemen. All right, team, positions. This is our moment. Let's see if she starts.
All systems nominal.
Pressures nominal, temperatures stabilizing. Brake response confirmed. Equipment clear, ready to roll. Motors. The suspension articulates perfectly over the ruts and high spots. In the emergency braking test, the anti-lock system prevents. Engine diagnostics complete. 87 degrees, 0 fault codes. Brake wear and suspension alignment are perfect. After 16 weeks in the Arctic, the restoration is a success. To the Bugatti who survived the Arctic. To the wolves who sheltered her. To our team who believed restoration was possible when it seemed impossible.
Cheers, gentlemen. We did it.
From the Arctic wilderness to absolute perfection.
A remarkable achievement, my friend. Cheers.
The Arctic took my son, but you brought both back to life. You've given me a second chance to remember him.
Сынок, мы вернулись. Ты не забыт. Память о тебе будет вечной.